Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you a glimpse of COVID-19 Forex rebuild. Okay, so I'm going to hit the start button right here, and I'm going to skip to a part where there is the trading. So this is a section which I checked on the statement in advance, and this is where you get to see how it works. So we're going to skip to this part, and this one has no pyramiding, but it is going to be like a fixed lot. But what's going to be interesting is the way that the you know the buy stop sell stop is going to be shifted on a very aggressive basis, and the trading stop is going to be shifted on a very aggressive basis as well. Okay, here we go. So I'm basically gonna just I think that was a bit too quick, so let's just do that again. Okay, so we're gonna do this one more time, and same thing. I'm gonna make it a little bit slower so you can see how that works. Okay, so let's skip to this bit over here. All right, here we go. Okay, see that? This is the shifting of the stop loss. Okay, there's another bit that I want you to see. It's also in this same hour. I'm trying to fast forward this teensy bit. It's coming up. Here. Alright. That's how it works. I think there's another one. Basically, it's a very fast process. So it's exactly the same way that it worked for Dow Jones. Right now, I'm just tweaking this for Euro USD so that it's going to be a more stable price movement. I'm going to have Euro USD version, Gold version, Dow Jones version. If I feel that on that day, it's safe to run, then I will run it. So, but generally, the currency we as a staple. Okay, we missed out on that one. A lot of it happening. It's not, just so you know. All right, it's not all throughout the day. It's only going to be on certain days, and all right, this test account is with a starting balance of 5,000. Okay. So over a period of trades, it trades very heavy, as the original COVID-19 EA does. Okay, it trades very heavy, even on Euro USD. So I'm working on more versions, so you can basically see that. So basically we can kind of like spread out, and we have something working to kind of catch movements that happen differently. US 30 index. Okay. There will be times when we have these movements like so, and you want to be able to catch these kind of movements. And then on gold as well, gold is also really good for those kind of movements. It doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes. But just so you know, okay, this is not going to trade like every single day, because not every day has that kind of conditions. We'll start with this single lot first as we progress. I'll try to bring on the pyramiding once again. Okay, this is kind of the market that we want. This is perfect right here. Okay, like this. And basically, you want to catch all those breakout runs, whipsaws. I'm going to tweak on the sensitivity as well. Okay, and I think previously it was a bit too sensitive, so it traded a bit much as well. This time around, I want to trade it a little bit less sensitive, because now that the conditions have changed a little bit, even with the base system right now, you notice that my lot sizes are not as aggressive as it used to be, because trade time is a bit longer, so we have to compensate for that as well. Be quite spread out. Okay, it's not going to be every day. some weeks you may not, but I'll see how I can tweak it to have a good balance between safety and return, because I think at the end of the day that's what most people want. You want like safety and some good return. So it's not going to be every day. Like I'm going to tweak on the sensitivity settings, and maybe we'll have it on those days that where it's good. Okay, it may trigger like a couple of times. All right, so I hope this gives you an idea how this works. I'll be testing this on my own personal account first. As you can see, I have accounts with several brokers, so I'll be testing them on one of them, and then another one of them, another one of them. So when all this is working out, I'll be introducing onto the Pamm. All right. So let's look forward to 20% days once again. All right. This is Julian from the Binary Lab. Bye for now.